All right, welcome to another episode of the Insurance Toolkits Weekly Tip. Sorry I missed you last week. I was away, but I'm back today and I'm excited to share two things with you. One is an amazing feature and option we have in Insurance Toolkit, and second is a sales and business concept I found to be very valuable. But before I share that information with you today, do me a favor, like the video. Comment about something you take away from the video, even if it's something you don't like that I said, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're really feeling something about what we said today, share our YouTube channel with somebody else. We're getting really close to 2,000 subscribers, but I need you, the viewing audience, you, the subscriber base, you, the insurance agent, to like, comment, and subscribe to help us hit that 2,000 number as soon as possible. So today we're going to talk about small sample size and the Insurance Toolkit lead program. So I'm going to share my screen first so that we can go over the Insurance Toolkit lead program. And then second, we're going to go over the concept of small sample size. So give me a second here to pull up the lead screen on Insurance Toolkit and share that with you. All right, so what you're looking at right now is how you order leads with Insurance Toolkit. Maybe you didn't know that was a thing, but what you really should know is not only are these available to purchase, but they're really good. I have a lot of agents that buy these and they say to me, the client knew what they were getting themselves into. They knew they were going to get insurance. They knew someone was going to contact them. They knew that it cost money. They had a good understanding of what was going on. And that is really different compared to a lot of SEO and Facebook marketing where people click through surveys. They think that they're trying to get a vacation. They don't realize they've become a lead. These leads are pretty clear to purpose about what's going on. Second, it's important to know that these leads are exclusive. These leads are generated in real time so that when Mabel fills out a lead and you get that lead and can contact her as soon as possible. It's also important to understand that in many cases, the lead supplies information about the beneficiary, a hobby or security word, what type of insurance they're interested in getting. Is it for burial, cremation, or undecided? And the premium lead, follow me on this one for a second. The premium lead includes a section where the person has to put down a budget. Is it 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 60, or more than 60? Obviously, you can go in there and write them whatever you need to write them. But if they're putting in a budget, what does that tell you? That tells you intent. That tells you they know it costs money. And that tells you if you actually work the lead, you're going to write business. The next thing to share about the Insurance Toolkit lead platform is over 40% of our orders are weekly reoccurring orders from agents like you. I found something to be true in this industry, that the churn level is very high. They're here one day, gone the next. In the business, out of the business. If over 40% of the people that buy these leads buy them every single week, what does that tell you? That tells you they're selling the leads, making money, and staying in business. To me, that tells me that these are quality leads. So when you're looking at this screen on how to place an order, you've got the drop downs here that show you what type of lead, what state, what county, what quantity, your name, your contact information, and if you want that lead emailed or pushed to the Toolkit CRM or to a Go High level. One other tip when it comes to leads, you got to buy them every single week and you got to buy enough. Enough really depends on your skill set, how often you've worked that area, and a couple other factors. But buying 10 leads this week and none the next, you're just playing with yourself. 20, 30, 40, in Facebook, maybe even 60 every single week for at least 6 weeks. And if you do that with this lead platform and you don't find the results that you need, well, then let's set up a private sales training call and figure out what we can do to help you do better. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm going to talk about today is the concept of small sample size. It's really easy for agents to get super excited about something that happens in the microcosm. It's really easy for agents to get super pissed off over something that happens in the microcosm. When you're in this business, an entrepreneur, a small business owner, an insurance agent, working hard to support yourself and your family, be patient. Give it time. New area, new lead type, new carrier. 6 weeks at the minimum before you start saying to yourself, this is good or this isn't. And when it comes to bigger decisions besides leads and carriers and territory, big decisions, give it 6 months. I found that some carriers are working really well for a few weeks and a few months, but over the course of a 6 month period, I got issues. I found that a lot of issues you encounter as a small business owner, an entrepreneur, an insurance agent, you might be really upset one day, really upset the next, but a week later or a month later, you hardly even remembered it. Give it time, be patient, and don't fall victim to small sample size type issues. Appreciate you joining me today on this weekly tip. Buy some leads from Insurance Toolkits today. In fact, buy them for 6 weeks. And if you don't have sustained success off those leads, let me know and we'll figure out what we can do to help you do better. Thanks for watching.